In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover your Yahoo account. Let's dive into it and ensure you're back into your account smoothly and efficiently, all without any unnecessary hassle. The first thing you'll want to do is open up your web browser and type in login.yahoo.com. This URL takes you directly to the Yahoo Sign-In Helper, a page dedicated to assisting users who are having trouble signing in. It's essential that you enter this URL correctly, as you don't want to accidentally end up on the wrong page or a phishing site. Once you've arrived at the right place, you'll see various options available to help you recover your account. This is where you'll need to input one of the recovery details you've previously attached to your Yahoo account, such as your recovery phone number, email address, or any other piece of information. It's crucial here to use the correct details, as Yahoo will use these to verify your identity. Take a moment to double-check that everything you're typing matches what was originally set up with your account, as even a small mistake can lead to unnecessary delays. After entering the necessary recovery information, go ahead and click on the Continue button. This simple action will advance you to the next phase of the process. At this stage, Yahoo will want to confirm that you're not a robot. This usually involves clicking a radio button labeled, "I'm not a robot," which is a standard safety measure across the internet meant to prevent automated bots from taking over accounts. If required, you may also have to complete a CAPTCHA test, which might ask you to select all images with a specific object like traffic lights or crosswalks. Don't worry, this step is both common and easily navigated. Once you've cleared that hurdle, follow the remaining instructions provided by the sign-in helper. Depending on the recovery details you initially provided, Yahoo might send you a verification code to your recovery email or phone number. Alternatively, you might be asked to answer a series of security questions you arranged when initially setting up your account. Carefully follow these prompts and pay attention to any hints Yahoo may provide along the way. And there you have it. By following these streamlined steps, you should now be back in control of your Yahoo account. Remember, it's always a good idea to keep your recovery information up to date to safeguard against future access issues. With that, we've completed the recovery process. I hope you found this guide helpful, and if you did, don't forget to keep your account information secure and updated. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.